seasoning put together on the chicken. Look at it. Yeah. And we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes to marinate it. Stay tuned. Getting the pot ready. The oil already in it, so I'm gonna burn some curry now. Put some curry in it and burn it. Then add in the chicken. Yes, now adding the chicken, I'm gonna stir fry and make it brown up a little. Then do the rest. Please stay tuned. Watch the nice curry cooking. Nice curry. We're gonna eat it with rice and peas and yellow yam today. This is our nice curry chicken. Nice curry chicken. Stay tuned, my friends, my YouTube friends. Stay tuned. This is the yellow yam and the potato. Gonna eat with the rice and peas and the curry chicken. So please stay tuned.